Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, four-wheel drive, four-wheel ABS, universal garage door opener, fog lights, daytime running lamps, off-road package, suspension package off-road, chrome 2-bar grille, Park Sense Park Assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.